Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Michelle's Cozy Kitchen. In this video, I am going to show you how to make one of my favorite dishes, vegetable lasagna. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for new video uploads. First, I'm going to cook the pasta. In a pot of boiling water, I am going to add some cooking oil which will prevent them from sticking together, salt to taste, and the lasagna noodles. I am going to allow them to cook until tender, then remove them from the water and set aside. Leaving the noodles inside the hot water for a long period of time after cooking them will cause them to become very soft and break when you're using them. Then wash and dice 2 zucchini and 2 yellow squash into small pieces as shown in the video. These are the seasonings you will need. Scallions, red and green bell peppers, onion, and a few cloves of garlic. Dice these and set aside. Place a pan over medium heat with about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. When the oil is heated, add to it the onions, peppers, scallions, and garlic. Now, if you realize, I've also decided to grate some of the garlic into the pan because I find that this gives the dish a better flavor. Once that is done, let it saute for a few minutes covered. After a few minutes, add the zucchini and squash to the pan, then stir to incorporate the flavors. Add just enough salt to taste. Then cook for about 10 to 15 minutes covered, or until the squash and zucchini are tender. I am now going to add spinach to the dish and let it cook for about 5 minutes covered. While the spinach cooks, I am going to make the cheese filling for the lasagna. I have 1 medium-sized container of ricotta cheese, to which I am going to add 2 beaten eggs, some mozzarella cheese, a dash of salt, Parmesan cheese, and chopped parsley. I am going to combine all of the ingredients together and set aside. I am now going to complete the vegetable filling. Add 1 jar of Prego sauce or any sauce that you desire. Stir it to incorporate it into the dish and cover and let it cook until the sauce thickens. Then remove it from heat. I am now at my favorite part of the process, which is assembling the lasagna. Take some of the vegetable filling and put it on the bottom of the pan. Then add about 3 to 4 lasagna noodles and some of the ricotta cheese filling. On top of that, add the vegetable filling and some mozzarella cheese. And then add another layer of the lasagna noodles. Repeat the same process for each additional layer until you reach to the top, where all you need is the ricotta cheese filling, the vegetable filling, and mozzarella cheese. Then you will cover the dish with foil paper and pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove it from the oven and remove the foil paper. Then you would put it back into the oven and cook for another 15 minutes or until the top is golden brown. Remove from the oven and serve as desired. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember, from my cozy kitchen to yours, thanks for viewing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for new video uploads.